Hello and welcome to Pabbly. Now here guys, to get better protection and security of your Pabbly account, you can enable two-step verification. And to set up this, we will just go to the account section of your Pabbly account. As you can see, we are on all apps section. Just go to the account section of your Pabbly account and then go to password and security over here. Under password and security, here you can see two-step verification option. Just click on this enable button, enter the account email and password of your Pabbly account and click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, here it is the setup of two-step verification. Now here guys, what we have to do to get the verification codes on our phone every time we try to log in on our Pabbly account, we will be using some kind of authentication app. You can use Authy, Google Authenticator or any other authentication app. In this video, I will be using Google Authenticator. So here you can see that in my mobile device, I have installed this Google Authenticator application. You will get the link of this application in the description box below. And after installing the application, we just have to scan the QR code given over here in our Pabbly account using that app. And after scanning this QR code, you will get a verification code in your authentication application, like Google Authenticator. We just have to enter that same verification code given by Google Authenticator in this verification code section. So this is the code shown on my Google Authenticator app. So I'll just enter it and click on confirm. And after clicking on confirm, here you can see that we have enabled the two-step verification in our Pabbly account. Now every time we are going to sign in or log in our Pabbly account, we will get a verification code in our Google Authenticator or any other authentication app which you have selected. So here in this way, we have enabled two-step verification in our Pabbly account. If you want to disable it, you can click on this disable button to turn off the two-step verification. And if you want to change your Authenticator app or on the mobile device or the phone on which you are getting this verification codes, you can click on this manage button, select regenerate secret for a new device and click on confirm. And you can use the same process once again to change the device or regenerate the verification code. And after regenerating a new code, old codes which we were using will not work anymore. So here guys, we have successfully turned it on. Now I'll just log out of my Pabbly account and we'll try to log in once again with the verification code. Okay, so here I have successfully logged out of my Pabbly account. I'll just click on this login button. And now as I try to log in on my Pabbly account, here it is asking me for the verification code. And the verification code will be received on my Google Authenticator app. I'll just enter that same code shown on my Google Authenticator app and click on verify code. And then only we can access our Pabbly account. So in this way, using this two-factor authentication, it has provided us some extra security and protection for our Pabbly account. So I hope this video was helpful to you. So this is it for today's video. Thank you.